Russian spacewalk 52 will be conducted by Oleg Artemyev, EV1 in the red stripes, and Denis Matveev, EV2 in the blue stripes. To start the spacewalk, crew will egress Poisk with the crew lock bag and the EMMI, also known as the European Robotic Arm EVA control panel, or ERA EVA control panel. After turning on their cameras and lights, both crew will start translating down the Strela booms from Poisk to the Nauka module, where they'll begin their worksite setup. EV2 will install a pallet adapter on handrail 4401, then crew will work together to structurally secure the EMMI. Oleg and Denis will then mate the CBT cable and power on the EMMI for checkout. While Oleg works the EMMI checkout, Denis will translate to the base point worksite where he'll remove a total of 4 protective covers and take imagery of the interfaces. After closing up the EMMI covers, Oleg will translate to the ERA arm where he'll begin folding back the MLI blanket to install one of several ERA arm handrails. Denis will translate over to the ERA arm where he'll assist with the handrail installs. Crew will finish installing the last handrail near the ERA arm elbow on limb number 2. Oleg will then take photos of the solar reflectors near the elbow. Oleg and Denis will translate back to Poisk and stow the covers as well as the crew lock bag back inside the airlock. Using the same translation path they did earlier, we'll head back down to one of the Nauka's passive payload interfaces. While working together, they'll install the adapter and remove the manual drive. EV1 and EV2 will translate back to the airlock, stow the manual drive. Afterwards, they'll perform an inventory, and then they'll ingress and close the hatch, finishing out Russian Spacewalk 52.